Alright guys, I want to show you how slippery it is today after the snowstorm. So it's pure ice beneath. I hope you can hear the ABS. There is no stopping on brakes. It's pure ice. So what you can hear is the ABS trying to do its work, but there's no way. There is pure ice beneath. Now here is better. I just hope nothing comes upwards now, because there are no brakes. It's just like riding on ice. Or whatever the senses are. Here again, check how I'm sliding. Basically the brakes don't work, so you need to ride really slow.